Jesus, your mercy is all that I claim. Nothing within me could cover my shame. Even my righteousness falls short of grace. Still you have called me and taken my place. Jesus, your mercy, my anchor, my ground. Not by my striving is hope ever found. All that I'm lacking, you fully restore. Grace overflowing, I need nothing more. Praise to the King who carried my sin. You stood in my place when I stood condemned. Faithful and kind, you've been all along. Forever I'll sing your mercy, my song. Jesus, your mercy, my peace and my rest. When fear overwhelms and trials oppress, life or in death, you are holding me fast. Your love and kindness will always outlast. And no power of darkness, no lie, no fear could ever take away what you make clear. I am forgiven.